the setup of Verizon Wi-Fi extender E3200. So let's get started. You have two options, wireless pairing and wired pairing. In this video, I will guide you about wireless pairing. So let's get started. Plug the Wi-Fi extender into a power outlet next to the Verizon Internet Gateway and wait for a solid yellow light, as you can see right here. After that, press and hold the unified button, pair button on the Wi-Fi extender E3200 for 3 seconds, then the pair button on the Verizon Internet Gateway within 2 minutes. Both devices blink blue while pairing. If there is an error during the pairing because of the process, the status LED slowly flashes red for 2 minutes after the error occurs. Once a solid white or blinking yellow light appears on the Wi-Fi extender E3200, it's paired. Now, unplug the Wi-Fi extender from the power outlet, move it between the Internet Gateway and the weak Wi-Fi coverage area, then plug into a power outlet. If you see a fast blinking yellow light, move the extender further away from the Internet Gateway. If you see slow blinking yellow light, move the extender closer to the Internet Gateway. In step number 4, once the LED indicators turn solid, your setup is complete.